Okay, so right now my pressure foot is up. It's already threaded, and I'm gonna have the fabric go underneath it. Right where the needle is. And then I'm gonna press the press your foot down, and you see where the needle starts. That's where I want my fabric to end, right there, wherever the needle is. Wherever this needle is, that's where I want it to go. Okay, that's where I'm gonna have the fabric begin. So all I have to do is just press on the presser foot now. And how I will finish it off, if I will have like maybe an extra fabric knocking about, because it only gonna work unless the fabric is underneath it. So let's say you're finishing it off, then I will just, if you don't want the thread to break, I will just continue. You understand? And I'll just leave it like this. I'll just leave it alone and just leave it like that if you don't want the thread to break. You see? That's how I will start it. That's the only way to start it without the thread breaking. Wherever this needle starts, this is where you want your fabric to start. And how you finish it off without the thread breaking, you add an extra piece of fabric that you don't need, and you know, and you sew, and you just leave it like that. You just leave it like that. Okay, so I hope that helps.